So out here on a job today in the Southern Shire. Basically I was here last week. It's a brand new property and the customer had the sparkies put in a bunch of different cabling. So last week I come back here and I mounted up the Starlink. So I put the brackets on, put conduits in and connected it all up, and then we aligned it all working perfect. So today I've got a couple more. So here we're going to put a satellite dish. There we're going to put an RF antenna, and here we're going to put a free-to-air antenna. And then later on in the day, if I get time, we're going to put a camera on the front there. It's going to be a little bit sketchy. I have to lean over the edge, but don't tell work safety about it. So these are the poles that we're going to mount in. Now I'll put them all together down on the ground. Right, but what we're using to mount them to these ridges, these guys here, you can see there's two parts to them. So you've got the main bit that slips over here, and you've got this other little section. Just like that. It locks there, and then when you do it up, it pushes into it and just holds it in nice and sturdy like that one. Okay, so it took me all day, but they're all done. So I've got the conduits going up with their loops. So that's an RF antenna. Listen to plane conversations. It's their free-to-air satellite disc, and their Starlink. Everything's working, tested, getting good from all of them. Okay, so it took me all day, but they're all done. So I've got the conduits going up with their loops. So that's an RF antenna. Listen to plane conversations. It's their free-to-air satellite disc, and their Starlink. Everything's working, tested, getting good from all of them. And here's the front end. And there's beautiful Southern Shire.
Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.